Is baking your one true passion? If that's a yes, then turn your passion into your dream career. Watch the video to know how to become a baker step by step. The high school diploma is not mandatory. However, high school cooking classes will be beneficial. Enrolling in technical or culinary school will give all the essential baking skills and knowledge. You will get practical training, and new and advanced baking skills. You can choose a specific field and start acquiring skills to become a specialist in that particular area. You don't need a certificate to become a baker, but a certificate is an ideal way to show your proficiency. You can work in any baking and pastry-related industry or start your own baking business. To become a part of the baking industry, first you must know the drill to become a baker. Enroll in the Cupcake and Baking Diploma course designed by One Education, and learn the skills of a professional baker.